In industrial environments and edge deployments, performance can't be theoretical. Your AI workloads can't wait. Vision systems need answers in milliseconds. Analytics processes stream from dozens of sensors simultaneously. And when automation falters, production slows. Introducing the ASUS SNUC 16 Pro, customized by SNUC, for innovators to integrate into their own products and teams to deploy at scale. Powered by next-gen Intel Core Ultra series processors delivering up to 180 TOPS of AI performance, it can run vision inference across multiple camera feeds, identify patterns in real time, and automate responses instantly, from the factory floor to remote depots. Your data stays local. Decisions happen at the edge. Response times measured in milliseconds. The compact 5x4 chassis fits behind kiosks, under counters, or integrated into machinery. Redundant networking capability and extensive I/O keep your sensors, cameras, and displays running seamlessly. With SNUC custom builds, OS imaging, and white labeling, the SNUC 16 Pro is ready to disappear into your platform. The ASUS SNUC 16 Pro, customized by SNUC. Faster, smarter, and more secure than ever before.